Again? Excuse me, I am not a trash can. No toilet paper, no wipes, no trash. Help me help you. Let's keep things flowing the way they should.
Hi, I'm Doc Brock. I help keep your blood highways clean and smooth. My fiber and vitamin magic supports healthy flow, and that means more energy for you.
Listen up. There's a brand new AI video trend exploding right now on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. And I'm not exaggerating when I say the numbers are absolutely insane.
Wow.
This trend turns normal, everyday objects into talking characters. Not influencers, not people, objects. They roast you. They lecture you. They expose your bad habits. And the internet is completely obsessed with it. A page hit 1 million followers with fully AI-generated videos pulling millions of views. One video alone made around a few $1,000s. That's insane. So in this video, I'm showing you the exact process from zero using AI tools. No paywalls, no subscriptions, no guessing. Let's get into it. The first thing you're going to do is open ChatGPT. Once you're inside, click on Explore GPTs. In the search bar, type Object Talk and select that GPT model. Then click Start Chat. This GPT is built specifically for talking object and talking food videos. All you need to do now is type the object or idea you want your video to be about. For this example, type banana wearing a doctor suit inside the stomach. Once you hit enter, the GPT automatically generates 5 text-to-image prompts and 5 short dialogue scripts. The first prompt is the main one, and it focuses on your primary character, in this case, the banana doctor inside the stomach. The other 4 prompts are for related objects or ideas. For this tutorial, we're focusing only on the main object. Now, copy the main image prompt from the GPT's output. You'll also see a link that usually sends you to OpenArt. Ignore that. For this workflow, we're using Grok. Next, open Grok and click on Imagine. Make sure you're in image generation mode. Then choose Image and set your aspect ratio. If you're making shorts, set it to 9:16. Now paste the text-to-image prompt you copied from Object Talk GPT into Grok and click Generate. In a few seconds, Grok will generate an anthropomorphic banana wearing a doctor suit inside the stomach, perfectly styled for this viral format. You don't need to download anything, because we're going to use Grok again to turn this into a video. Once the image is generated, Grok can automatically generate a video with lip sync. This is where it gets powerful. Grok already handles the animation and mouth movement, but we want to customize what the character actually says. Go back to Object Talk GPT and copy the short script generated for your banana doctor. For example, it might say something like, "I'm the potassium specialist on call. You dropped me in with acid and chaos. And now I'm dissolving on duty. Good news, I help your muscles. Bad news, I'm not surviving this shift." Paste that script into Grok and generate the video. Grok will animate the character and sync the lips automatically. Once it's done, that's your final result. That's one talking object or food video finished. You can repeat this exact process with other objects or foods if you want more clips.
I'm the potassium specialist on call. You dropped me in with acid and chaos, and now I'm dissolving on duty. Good news, I help your muscles. Bad news, I'm not surviving this shift.
Quick pause. In the description, join my community. Links below. You'll get the full prompt pack and the exact workflow I use, so you can copy this without guessing. Now back to it. Now we put everything together. For editing, I use CapCut because it's fast, beginner-friendly, and doesn't give you headaches. Put all your assets into one folder, mainly your talking video clips. Then import that entire folder into CapCut. Drag your clip onto the timeline, and if you're using multiple clips, arrange them in any order you like. Trim where needed, and keep the pacing tight, because this format works best when it's fast and punchy. Before exporting, add captions. Go to the text section, click Auto Captions, and generate them. Choose a bold caption style, and make sure it's readable on mobile. Big captions equal higher retention. Once that's done, export your video, upload it, and repeat the process. Here's the truth. This trend will not last forever. Right now, the algorithm loves it because it's new, weird, and unexpected. In a few months, everyone will copy it. So if you're watching this and not posting, you're wasting free reach. No face, no excuses, no gatekeeping. Subscribe if this helped, join the community if you want the prompts, and go post something before this trend dies.
Hi, I'm Doc Brock. I help keep your blood highways clean and smooth. My fiber and vitamin magic supports healthy flow, and that means more energy for you.
I'm the potassium specialist on call. You dropped me in with acid and chaos, and now I'm dissolving on duty. Good news, I help your muscles. Bad news, I'm not surviving this shift.
I tasted great for 5 minutes. Now I'm a 4-hour problem. You knew this would happen.
Feel that burn? That's me doing my thing. You invited chaos, don't blame the spice. Fascinating. Enzymes breaking bonds in real time. I'm antioxidant rich, not acid proof. Still, worth observing. Hello, little cells. Let's make some magic. Feel that energy? You're all super healthy.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.